Clang error, unknown argument, mno-fused-madd, Python package installation failure. I get the following error when attempting to install scikit-2 via pip on Mavericks 10.9. Not sure how to proceed and have searched here and elsewhere for this particular error. Any help is much appreciated. Here is the complete output from pip.
You can tell Clang to not raise this as an error by setting the following environment variables prior compilation. Then pip install scikit-2 should work. I had the same when trying to pip install lxml. Edit, if you are installing a superuser, which will likely be the case if you are trying to append to /library/python/2.7/site packages, the native Apple factory installed Python distribution which ships with OSX, rather than to some other Python distribution which you have subsequently installed yourself, then you will need to do, as described by @tasecoopers in comments below. Or the equivalent, for whatever other package name you may be substituting in place of scikit-2. Update, May 16, 2014, Apple has fixed this problem with updated system Pythons, 2.7, 2.6, and 2.5, in OSX 10.9.3 so the workaround is no longer necessary when using the latest Mavericks and Xcode 5.1+. However, as of now, the workaround is still required for OSX 10.8.x, Mountain Lion, currently 10.8.5. if you are using Xcode 5.1+ there.
Update, 10.9.3 resolves the issue with system Python. This is caused by the latest Clang update from Apple that came with Xcode 5.1 today and is affecting many people, so hopefully a fix will appear soon. Update, did not expect this to get so much attention, but here's more detail. The Clang 3.4 Apple is shipping defaults to erroring on unknown flags, but Python builds modules using the same set of flags it was compiled with originally. The system Python was compiled with several flags that are unknown by Clang, thus causing this problem. The following are the current Mavericks 10.9.2 Python compile flags. To resolve this issue, you have a few options. Add arch flags equals no error equals unused command line argument hard error in future to your compile flags. Pass flags equals strip the unsupported flags from the sysconfig.data.py, as is noted in another answer. Compile a new Python using homebrew. Wait for the next osx update, which is rumored to include recompiled Python/Ruby to remove this issue for system runtimes.
Xcode 5.1.
Here is a workaround that involves removing the flag from the Python installation. In .framework/version/2.7/lib/python2 7/_sysconfig.data.py are several places where the mno-fused-madd, mno-fused-madd flag is set. Edit this file and remove all of the references to that flag. Your compilation should work. You need to delete the corresponding _sysconfig.data.py and _sysconfig.data.py files as well. At least on my system, these files did not automatically get rebuilt. Note that have to use root access to make those changes.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.